Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creator. This is Ashwati. In this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing this kurti palazzo set which I got from Amazon for 620 rupees. This particular palazzo set is very popular in online as well as you can get it from any street market as well. So the prices does differ from each website, or if you get it from street market, it does differ. I got it for 620 rupees as I've already said. So this is how it looks like. It is blue in color. You can definitely get it in other colors as well. So there is potly button detailing in the front, and on the waist there are pleats, and it's in cotton material. It's not 100% cotton. There is some kind of mix of fabric in it, but then it's comfortable, especially during summers. It's perfect. And now for palazzo, it's not like the length is not that much because I'm 5'1" and it's perfectly fit for me. So if you are someone who has got more height than 5'1", this palazzo might be little short for you. And this kurta is very good, you guys. It's of perfect length, especially for me. But then the width is more. I mean, it's pretty loose for me, so that's the reason I did alter it a bit, especially from the sleeve side, also from the side as well. I did alter it, and I didn't alter it that much that it fits me perfectly, but I did alter it little bit. Nowadays I prefer wearing loose clothes because it's summers and super hot, so it's more comfortable, right? So it's good material. I liked it. It's nice actually. For 620 rupees, I think it's really nice. Now I will show you guys a very simple makeup look and then how I style it. So for makeup, first I'm using this Lotus moisturizer. It has got SPF in it 25, so it's a good moisturizer. And now for primer, I'm gonna use this Stay Quirky primer. It's a very silicone primer. It does make our skin pretty smooth, but then it doesn't hide our pores. Maybe it blurs a little bit, that's it. But then moreover, it gives a smooth canvas for makeup. Now for concealer, I'm gonna use this LA Pro concealer. All the shade details and price will be mentioned in description box, so please do check it out. So I'm gonna apply this concealer just to my dark spot area. I'm not gonna apply any BB cream, CC cream or foundation because it's super duper hot. So I prefer to use a concealer just onto my dark spots and dark areas, that is around my eyes, and just blend it with my fingers, and base makeup is done. I mean, like this with a powder, with a compact powder, base makeup is done. So just blend it with your fingers itself. If you want, you can definitely use brush as well, but then I prefer finger because in that way it gives better coverage, I feel, when you're using concealer. Now for compact powder, I am gonna use this sugar compact powder. It doesn't have any coverage, but then it does mattify our face very well, and also it has got 6-7 shades, I guess. So for me, I do get my perfect shade. I'm of a dusky skin tone, so I do get a perfect shade matching to my skin tone, which is yay. Now for eyeshadow, I'll be using Makeup Revolution eyeshadow. In that, I'm gonna take this brown, maroonish brown shade and putting it to my outer corners and then blending it towards my crease. So major eyeshadow will be brown color, will be there on my outer corners, and then just blending it towards my crease. And then I'm gonna take this pink shimmery color. It's a little bit on brighter side, and I'll be taking it with my fingers itself and then applying it all over my eyelids. With fingers, it gives a better pigmentation. And then I'm gonna take this very light baby pink. It's kind of a foil shade. Again, I'm gonna apply it on top of that glittery kind of shade so that it gives a nice diffused look. So that's it. That's with the eyeshadow. Now to highlight, I'm gonna take this highlighting shade and then gonna highlight my brow bone. It's really, I mean, like too much to eyes, but then when you blend it's good actually. Now I'm gonna take this dark brownish shade and then I'm gonna contour my nose. Just contouring my nose, that's it. If you want, you can definitely contour your cheeks and forehead and your jaws and all, that's up to you. And now for eyebrows, I'm gonna take this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil and I'm gonna fill in the like gaps to my eyebrows and then just blending it using the same brush. That's it. With that, eyebrows are done. So it's a good eyebrow pencil. Now for kajal, I'm gonna use this Blue Heaven kajal. It's really nice jet black kajal pencil, but the only problem is that it smudges very easily, doesn't set. It is not smudge proof or even waterproof, but then if you set it with the eyeshadow or any compact powder, it would be there for a longer time. So I do set this with a brown eyeshadow so that it gives a shadow effect as well, in that way it looks more pretty. So it becomes smudge proof, and also it is beautiful, right? When we give a nice touch of brown color to our waterline, just below the waterline, it looks much better. Now I am gonna highlight my inner corners of my eyes, and then I'm taking this Blue Heaven ka sketch eyeliner, and then I'm gonna draw a very small wing eyeliner. As you guys can see, it's very easy to put on eyeliner with this pen eyeliner. So that's the main thing. So if you're a beginner who is struggling to draw wing liner, I think it's a good option, and also it's jet black. But then it is not very much smudge proof or waterproof. But it's okay. It's not that bad. I think it's just for 200 rupees. If you are getting it as a combo pack, kajal and sketch pen together, you get it for 250 or 300. I think for that it's a very good deal. I like it, especially for the shade. It's really good. Now I'm gonna apply this Blue Heaven ka mascara. It's a good mascara, you guys. It's just for 150 rupees. I think I got it from Amazon. It's really nice. So that's it. With that, our eye makeup is done. Make sure that you put on 2-3 coats of mascara so that your eyes are just open up. So that's it. That's how our makeup looks like. Now I'm gonna use this Faces lip crayon, which is in a nice maroonish color, which matches to that flowers in this kurta set. Now for earrings, I've put on this stone ka big earrings, and then very simple bangle watch, 2 rings, and this is how the Palazzo set looks like together, Palazzo and the top together. I've put on wedges, and I've left my hair open, and I think this is perfect for a very simple function, any sort of very simple function, family get together or something like that. This is how it looks like. Super easy, and it's very comfortable as well. Now it's next one is a simple casual look. For that, I've put on Wet n Wild ka mocha shade liquid lipstick, and earrings, I've put on Afghani earrings, which I got from Amazon. I've put on maroon leggings, which matches to that flowers, and jutis, and I've put my hair in a braid. So it's a very simple casual look, and also I've put on a silver watch. That's it. So it's a very nice casual look. Now we are going for a very too much of casual look. For that, I've put on one nose ring, and I've changed the lipstick. All the details will be there in description box. And this chapel is from Amazon. It's super cool chapel with pom-poms. I've put my hair up in a bun. And now for next look is with a kurta. I have gone for a kurta which has got simple print on the yoke part. I've put my hair into my front, so it's good for an office wear or college wear. I've put on wedges, and I've put on nude lipstick, which is from Lakme. So it's a good one. Now I've paired the Palazzo with short top, and this is a nice lipstick. I think it's from the brand Faces. I do not remember. Anyways, links will be there in description box. I've put on a very simple earrings, and this is a tie and dye top, and I put my hair in a bun, low bun. That's it. It's a simple casual wear. This is how I styled my this Palazzo set in 5 different ways. So there are many other ways in which you can style. I think you guys will be knowing better than me, but then I still thought I would just share with you all. All in all, I really like this kurta very much. It's very affordable. It's just for 620 rupees. I think I got it for 620 rupees, and for that I think it's worth. I like it very much. I have washed it, and it doesn't have any problem at all. So if you guys wanna check it out, I will highly recommend you guys. You can definitely give it a try. There's nothing wrong. So that's it, you guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching this. If so, you all know what to do. Please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And that's it. All the links will be there in description box, so please do check it out. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, and love you all. Take care. Mwah. Bye.